Hello everybody. Today I would like to teach you the chapter Nutrition in Plants. These are the contents of today's chapter. What is nutrient? A nutrient is a substance used by an organism to survive, grow and reproduce. Organisms is nothing but all the living things. Why do plants need nutrition? As humans need nutrition for their growth, life, and health, plants, like other living things, need nutrition to keep growing. Supplier of nutrients to the plants. The supplier of nutrients to human being is plants. But do you know that from what does the plants get nutrition? The major suppliers of nutrient to plants are air, soil, water, and fertilizers. Air, soil, and water are natural supplier of nutrients. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are provided by the air to the plants for the process of breathing and photosynthesis. Fertilizers give more nutrient to the plants. We will talk about fertilizers in another slide. Soil provides nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Water gives hydrogen. Use of NPK. Full form of NPK is nothing but nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. In previous slide, we have discussed that nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium is provided by the soil. Now we will discuss the use of NPK. Nitrogen helps in leaf growth and develop green color. Phosphorus is useful to develop new roots and growth of seeds, fruits and flowers. Phosphorus is also used by plants for fighting against various diseases. Potassium helps plants to make strong stems and keep growing faster. Types of fertilizers. Now we know that fertilizers give more nutrient to the plants. There are two major types of fertilizers, natural and artificial fertilizers. Natural fertilizers or organic manure are those which are bulky in nature and supply nutrients in small quantity and organic matter in large quantity. Artificial fertilizers are man-made or inorganic fertilizers. They give more amount of nutrients to the plants. They have a chemical composition suitable for a definite crop. Nutrient quantity. Some of the nutrients are needed in more amount to the plants, which are known as macronutrients. Some of the nutrients are needed in low amount, which are known as micronutrients. What happens if plants do not get enough nutrition? We know that plants need nutrition for their growth and life. But have you thought that what happens if plants do not get enough nutrition? Plants have enough mineral and energy stored to grow new tissues. It can grow roots either inside or outside of the plants and away from the existing roots. These new roots can take up nutrients from the new soil they have moved into. What happens if plants get nutrition in more amount? Just now we have discussed what will happen if plants do not get enough nutrition. Have you imagined that? What will happen if plants get nutrition in more amount? When we add too much of fertilizer to the soil, plants cannot take up water. The leaves of the plant burn due to lack of water. Plants do best when the level of fertilizers is consistent. However, they adjust to variation in the level of nutrients around their roots. Summary of today's chapter. A nutrient is a substance used by an organism to survive, grow, and reproduce. Every living thing needs nutrition for growth, better health, and life. The major supplier of nutrients to plants are air, soil, water, and fertilizers. Full form of NPK is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. There are two major types of fertilizers, natural and artificial fertilizers. Plants develop new roots and can pick up nutrients from the new soil they have moved into if they do not get enough nutrient. When we add too much fertilizer to the soil, plants' leaves burn. I hope that you have understood today's chapter. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter, you can write in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve your problem.